It should only take a second. We want to make our little well in the middle. 1 egg yolk. Just come together nicely. Cut straight down from the top, and then literally just unroll the pepper. I would not recommend using a food processor to dice these things down. And there's a healthy little sizzle. And we just want to put these in for like 30 to 45 seconds just to blanch them. We want to try and keep these guys in one piece because we're going to be wrapping our ratatouille in these. Is take the time to open them up very gently and kind of flatten them out on the paper towel. We want the water to wick off and drain. There we go. Olive tapenade. I'm just going to go ahead and pour this all out. Gonna let this go for another 30 seconds or so. Scrape out our food processor. 500 grams cherry tomatoes. Blend these guys down and strain it. Got 2 tablespoons of cream here, and I've also got 50 grams of butter. Once our tomato puree cooks down by half, we're gonna go ahead and blend it down again with the cream and the butter. That looks fantastic. I'm gonna grab a bowl. Look at this beautiful orange color. I wanna come in and put together a small little ball about the size of a marble, something like that. And then all I'm gonna do is kind of roll up my spinach on 2 sides and then kind of roll it over like so. We'll get a nice little pillow of filling. All of these guys are gonna go uncovered in the fridge. Pull out our dough. Go ahead and unwrap it. It's a lot softer now. But you can actually see the pattern of the granite through the pasta. Cut out our round, and there is one of our tortellinis. Grab our little balls of ratatouille. So center line is like right here. We're gonna put it just a little bit to one side, and we're going to fold over. Take this corner, fold it over. Take this corner, fold it over, and then pinch it against your nail. And you've got one little tortellini pillow here. We're gonna get our salad, plate it up in the middle, and then what we're gonna do is just dot the outside of this plate with the tortellini as they come out. Just kind of draw around the plate, thin the tapenade out a bit. We're gonna do the same thing with this, a little bit outside here. We've got a delicious tortellini of ratatouille with sauce gazpacho done. Absolutely delicious, so good.